Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube video. In today's video, I will teach you how to write a book with ChatGPT. First of all, I want to write a book about history. Can you give me 10 title ideas? You can write whatever you want. It will give me 10 ideas about the topic. In step 2, I'll write, can you give me the title of the 10 chapters that would be in this book? In step 3, I'll write, can you give me an outline that represents those titles for this book, and I'll generate it. In step 4, I'll write, can you go deeper on that outline and write it even more thoroughly, and I'll generate it again. In the last step, I'll write, can you go ahead and write chapter 1 following the outline you gave above, and you will do this for all the chapters. After doing it all, copy paste all that into a document. This is how you can write a book with ChatGPT in just 5 steps. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.